Hello guys, once again welcome to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I unboxed a tripod. If you want to shoot a video and there is nobody except you, then a tripod is very useful for you. As you can see, this is very simple and useful tripod. You can easily buy it from Amazon only in rupees 355. You can adjust its height according to you. As far as quality is concerned, it is not bad at all in rupees 355. If you are a new YouTuber, you don't need to purchase very expensive tripod. Yeah, of course, once your YouTube channel becomes popular and you are making good money from YouTube, then you can purchase an expensive tripod. But if you have created a new channel, then this tripod is best for you. By the way, it is my opinion. As you can see, this is useful tripod. You can shoot your videos from any angle you want. You can rotate your cell phone according to the location. You know, tripod is really very useful because when you record a video without tripod, your hands often get shaken and tired, and because of that, video quality is always poor. So try to record your videos with the help of a tripod. This tripod has a small level so that you can keep your cell phone straight while shooting videos. You can see everything thoroughly. If you have never recorded your videos with the help of a tripod, then must try once and surely you will see the difference. And it is simple to use. Just attach your cell phone to it carefully. Make sure don't pull it hardly while attaching your cell phone. Once your cell phone is attached to it properly, now set the angle. If you need to increase its height, just unlock the legs. That's all for this video. I hope you will use tripod when you record your videos next time. If you have anything in your mind about this tripod, then share it with me by leaving a comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next time.